how to change device you're sharing location from on iPhone. So if you want to change device you're sharing location from on iPhone, then what you need to do is, whether you're switching to a new phone, iPad, or even a computer, this is a quick and easy process. At first, you need to open the Find My app on the device that you want to start sharing your location from. You'll have the application, Find My. You need to tap and open it up. Once you're in the app, tap on Me, which will be on the bottom, and then turn on your location and swipe up. You'll get this kind of interface. And from here, you'll see your current location settings. Now, here's the key. If you no longer want to share your location from your current iPhone and instead you want to switch it to the next device or a new device, all you have to do is tap on sharing location. And from there, you can select any other device. This will change the device that others track you from when using the Find My app. Once you've done that, anyone tracking your location will now see it from the new device you selected. It's that easy. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.